Hey guys, this is Jeremy with Brindley Mountain Fire Apparatus in Alabama. About to shoot a walk-around video of this 2007 KME Rescue Engine to try to give you guys a little better sense of the overall condition of the truck. I just did a quick walk-around of it myself, so I'll try to point out a few of the things that I saw from a condition standpoint, and I hope this video helps you. Not sure if you can see my reflection in the paint. The paint is nice on this truck. A little bit of buffing that we need to do where they removed the old lettering. But the paint's really nice, not faded. Looks pretty nice. I need to reupholster this seat for you. Driver's compartment. Rear cab, showing a little bit of wear on the floor. Two rear-facing SCBA seats, and then two forward-facing flip-down non-SCBA seats with a pretty large medical cabinet in between. Officer seat. Control area. That's actually the remote control for the monitor on the top of the truck. The tires don't look very good. To me, they're kind of cupped. You might pass DOT for tread, but pretty soon going to need new tires on the truck. Pump panel's in really nice condition. I guess they just did not have a lot of hard water where this truck was in service. Everything's really clean. Compartments are in good condition, showing a little bit of wear, but nice, not beaten up badly, in good shape. Rear tires are a little better than the front, but still probably going to need new tires before too long. Undercarriage is very, very clean, very black, not really even any surface rust underneath, so really, really nice condition. Top of the truck has a metal hose bed cover, remote control monitor, hydraulic ladder rack, and then pole light at the front. Here are your controls for the hydraulic ladder rack. Overall, a really nice engine. I hope the video helped you to get a better sense of it. You guys let us know what else we can do to help you if you're interested in moving forward. Thanks.